Good morning, my lovely grade 7 students. How are you today? I'm Mr. Ali Tommy. I missed you so much, guys. Guys, please let us today start our new lesson, which is proportions. Proportions. First of all, we have to start with this exercise. Given the following table that shows the price of a bag according to the number of pieces inside. Look at this table, guys. When the number of pieces in the bag is 2, its price is $8, while when the number is 5, its price is $20. As well, if the number of pieces is 9, its price will be $36. What do you conclude? Yes, it's true. If we multiply the number of pieces by 4, we can find the price. Back to the table. 2 multiplied by 4, it's 8. 5 multiplied by 4, it's 20. 7 by 4, it's 28. 9 by 4, it's 36. So the relation between the number of pieces and its price, if we multiply the number of pieces by 4, we can find the price. This kind of relation, guys, between two quantities is called directly proportional. So the number of pieces and the price are said to be directly proportional. So what is directly proportional as a rule? As a rule, x and y are directly proportional if y over x equals to k. First, k is a constant, is a number, real number. Y over x means whenever you divide the second quantity over the first quantity, you get a number, which is k. So y over x is equal to k, or you can write it as y equals kx. So you can divide y over x to get k, or you can find y by knowing k, that y equals to kx, with k being a constant. This k is called proportionality coefficient. In our example, 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20. So if you divide y over x, 8 divided by 2, 20 divided by 5, 28 divided by 7, 36 divided by 9. In all these cases, y over x is the same constant, which is 4. So 4, it will be the proportionality coefficient. And the relation between x and y, if we suppose that the number of pieces is x and the price is y, the relation is y is equal to 4x, because each time we have to multiply x by 4 to get y, and x and y are directly proportional. Fourth proportional, given this table, which is a proportionality table, to find the unknown here, x, first you have to divide y over x and y over x, and they should be equal because the table is proportionality table. The first number here and the last number here are called extreme. The numbers here are called mean. You have a rule that the product of extremes is equal to the product of the means. So if you multiply the extremes, it's equal to 51 times 5. That's why 12 times x is equal to 51 times 5. To get x, you multiply 51 times 5, you get 255. So x is equal to 155 divided by 12, because 12 is multiplied by x. When it's moving to another side, it will be divided by 12, 21.25. Another exercise. Calculate the fourth proportional of 7, 8, and 3. These three numbers, we have another number, fourth number, to be proportional. So, because they are proportional, so let x be this fourth proportional we are searching for. 7 over 8 is equal to 3 over x. 7 over 8 is equal to 3 over x. You multiply extreme and means, so you get 7x equals to 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So to calculate x, you move 7 from here. So it's x equals 24 divided or over 7. In this way, you find x. Last exercise. Divide the number 60 into parts directly proportional to 2, 3, and 5. This 60 is divided into parts, 3 parts. These 3 parts are directly proportional to these 3 numbers. So let us start by supposing that A, B, and C are these numbers we are searching for. Because they are proportional to 2, 3, and 5, So you can write a over 2 equals b over 3 equals c over 5, and you write equals to t. And the other information that these three numbers, a plus b plus c, they should give 60. So a plus b plus c is equal to 60. You take the first one, a over 2 is equal to t. You put over 1 and extreme by extreme, mean by mean. So a equal to 2t. The same way b equals to 3t, and the same way c equals to 5t. So you take first fraction with t, second fraction with t, third fraction with t to find a, b, or c in terms of t. Then you use the relation here. Instead of a, you substitute 2t, instead of b, 3t, and instead of c, 5t to get 60. So 10t equals to 60, therefore t is equal to 6, because 60 divided by 10. Then, once you find t, you substitute t by its value. A is equal to 2t. So a is equal to 2 times 6, which is 12. B is equal to 3 times 6, 18. And c is equal to 5 times 6 is equal to 30. These three numbers, 12, 18, and 30, are proportional, directly proportional to 2, 3, and 5. And their sum is 60. Thank you guys. Try to solve the exercise. See you soon. Bye.